You definitely wouldn't want the neighbors to see this video before you do. Inside, you'll find 100 yard and garden ideas so striking that you'll immediately want to go out and remake your plot. There are both cozy relaxation zones and very stylish solutions that look expensive, modern, and grab attention at first glance. Watch to the end, because the strongest ideas in such compilations usually stay in memory for a long time. A decorative pond instantly draws the whole yard around it and makes an ordinary space much livelier and cozier. This is a good example of how even a simple fence and garden arch can be turned into a decorative element. Seating arranged around the fire pit immediately invites conversation and makes evening gatherings much cozier. A semicircular canopy looks very impressive and instantly makes the seating area feel like a designer project. It's a practical idea for a yard where you want to combine cooking, order, and a beautiful presentation of the space. A fabric canopy instantly softens the sun and turns an ordinary table into a perfectly comfortable place for summer lunches. The symmetry catches the eye right away here because the entire plot looks like a cohesive designer composition. A rustic wooden gazebo creates a sense of warmth and simplicity, as if it's a spot for unhurried countryside relaxation. A glass gazebo in the center adds lightness and makes the arrangement more modern and neat. Such raised beds look not like a vegetable patch, but like a full-fledged decorative composition within the garden.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.